Hi, my name is Norma Blandon. I'm a teacher at the Department of Foreign Languages of the University of El Salvador. And this is a homework for a course that I'm taking with UNED Costa Rica. And the name of this homework is Simple Materials or Didactic Resources. I'll start with a summary. We've been studying stress and intonation, vowel and consonant length, content and function words, and word stress and phrasing. We now know that intonation creates the melody of the language, and this is the topic that we will develop today. When we speak, our voices rise and fall in tones like notes in a scale, from a high tone to a low tone, or from a low tone to a high one. The different notes that we produce are called pitches. This upward and downward movement of the voice produces the melody. Different pitches may indicate different meanings for the same utterance. Different pitches help us express our feelings, such as happiness, sadness, curiosity, surprise, annoyance, anger, and so on. Intonation makes speech meaningful. Here we have a yes-no question, and you notice the rising intonation when I say it. Is Mary home? Notice the falling intonation in the answer. No, she's not here. Now we have intonation pattern with yes-no questions. Use rising intonation at the end of an utterance when you ask yes-no questions. Yes-no questions require yes or no for an answer. Here the pitch of the voice goes up or glides up at the end of the utterance. It rises on the vowel sound of the stressed syllable of the most important word and continues to rise. Read the following yes-no questions with rising intonation. Listen and repeat. Do you like it? Did you send it? Is it yours? Does she have to go with you? Is it necessary? Can you drive? Are they coming? Would you let me use it? Now, the following intonation pattern. First, remember that intonation and stress work together to express meaning. Usually the last word or the next to the last word is an utterance is stressed. The pitch of your voice goes down at the end of an utterance, but before it goes down or glides down, it rises on the vowel sound of the most important word that is stressed. Let's see what happens with statements and commands. Here, use falling intonation when reading the following statements and commands. Listen and repeat. The baby's crying. Do it later. I'm staying home today. Bring the new USB. I'm writing the report. Do it now. Keep silence. Don't say anything. Answer the phone. Keep your money. Now we have WH questions. In this case, use falling intonation. Listen and repeat the following WH questions. Pay attention to the following intonation. Who's doing that noise? Where will the meeting take place? Why did we decide to do it? When should they hand in the document? How did you prepare it? Where did they go on vacation? Who'll take you to the airport? Whose shirt are you wearing today? Did you notice the following intonation pattern? Let's summarize what we've been doing. Today, we have learned, first, that the rising intonation pattern is used when asking yes-no questions. Second, The following intonation pattern is used when answering yes/no questions. And the following intonation pattern is also used with statements, commands, and questions. I hope you learned something today and enjoyed the class. Have a good day. Bye.